Welcome to Study Loop.
All right, for planning and control purposes, right? Fixed overhead costs are lump sum amount, right? This is lump sum amounts, and that is not controlled on a per unit basis, right? In contrast, for inventory costing purposes, fixed overhead costs are allocated to products on a per unit basis, right? Per unit basis, right? So this is a lump sum for planning and control purposes, right? The fixed overhead costs are lump sum amount, right? And that is not controlled on a per unit basis, right? So also in contrast to the fixed overhead amount for inventory costing purposes, fixed overhead amount are overhead costs are allocated to products on a per unit basis.